Barra del Vallès, where the Castellet de Sabadell are building a human tower of 7 levels, but as you see, it is being erected from below. So Aixecat per sota looks very stable so far. One more level to go. Here we go. Halfway there. And now the final step. Here we have it. Sergi and Saneta will now crown it. Very well done. Very well done. We can assume that this is the first judging from the reaction of the audience. Barra del Vallès happens to be their second square. So this team from Sabadell has Plaza de la Vila here in Barra del Vallès as their second home square. Now they brought this down the traditional way by jamming down, but you can also bring it down into the fiddle and into the bass. Very well done, Castellet de Sabadell. Here in Barra del Vallès, 2010.